Calculator Lesson 6, page 14. Multiplication and division with decimals is just like multiplication and division with whole numbers. The key is be sure to enter the decimal points when needed. So practice 1. Excuse me. You input as I call out the keys. 2.7 times 1.4 equals 3.78 should be your answer. So this is a money one, the next example. Remember, you don't have to do anything with that dollar sign. 3.75 times 12 equals, you should get 45. So let's go ahead and skip to the guided practice because I'm very confident that this is going to be a super, super easy breezy lesson for you. So in your calculator, input 3.1 times 5.6 to get 17.36. Now let's do number 5. 9 divided by 4 equals 22.25. And let's do 9 together. 5.7 times 10.6 times 3.1, and you should get 187.302. So go ahead, hit pause, do the remainder on your own just to practice, hit play, and we'll do the practice, a couple of them together. So now I want to do number 10 with you guys. In your calculator, I want you to hit 1 divided by 2.5 times 36. Hit enter, and you should get 14, if I can write 14.4 as your answer. Now let's do number 6 together. 7.38 times, and you don't need this 0 if you don't want to, 0.6, and you should get 4.428. So go ahead and hit pause. Do the rest of these just to get used to inputting them in your calculator, and meet me on the next page. So we're going to do number 1 together, and then you're going to do 2, 3, and 4 on your own. So this year, Joan's monthly salary is $1,537.50. How much does she make in 1 year? So that's per 1 month, and we know that there's 12 months in a year. So we're going to input in our calculator 1537.50 times 12, and your answer is going to be $18,450. Now, just a quick look at this, because I'm going to teach you a really fast test-taking strategy while I have you guys here. Now, we know she makes about $1,500 a month. I always tell my students when they're taking the STAR assessment or any assessment, you're going to have a couple of questions that are like way far off base. Or a couple of answers to your question that are way far off base. We know she's not going to make $1.8 million a year. That's all she makes a month. But we also know she's not going to make $128 a year if she makes $1,500 a month. Now, it says salary in 1 year. Look at 3 and 4. That's right about her monthly salary, those two. So without even inputting anything into the calculator, just looking at our answer choices, we were able to get the correct answer there. So always kind of look at the answer choices, get rid of the junk that they give you. Generally speaking, especially in math, there's going to be 2 very closely related. One of them, if you have a multiple step problem, is going to be 1 step shy of getting it all the way done. So let's go ahead and hit pause, do 2 through 4 on your own. When you're done, hit play, and we'll go over the next section. So questions 5 and 6 refer to the following information. Lori is selling bags of giant cookies to raise money for her youth group. Each bag weighs 15 ounces. I'll go over number 5 with you, and you guys are going to do 6, 7, and 8 on your own. If there are 12 cookies in each bag, how much does each cookie weigh? So what you're going to do is 15 divided by 12, put that in your calculator, and you should get 1.25 ounces. That's a pretty big cookie. So go ahead and hit pause, finish up the rest, and remember you can check your answers on the back.